Giraffe have 4 stomachs. So they're built to be pretty much almost constantly digesting food. Back and forth quite a bit. He has very large blood vessels in their ears, so when he moves them back and forth, it helps to cool them off of degrees. They kind of have their own little air conditioning system going on there. Also coming up here on our left are our mandrills. They are the largest and most colorful monkeys in Africa. You can see the young ones running around there, jumping.
Some monkeys.
Females weigh around 30 pounds, so the males weigh around 100 pounds.
Why here?
They might remind you of Rafiki. It's because Rafiki is the elephants and the humans. And the farmers can farm.
Est-ce que dans pays nous pas capable de des espaces comme ça côté un pile touristes à venir visiter,
not only can we live with each other, but we can thrive all together.
Nous imaginons quantité de monde qui paye par jour pour visiter parc ça yo.
So it looks like that elephant was probably playing in the water just a little while ago. You still
I don't know.
Wet. If you keep looking to the left here, you're gonna see some greater flamingos. They are the palest pink of all flamingo species. Every flamingo
Yo pas comme ça dans un pays, c'est un pile travail, c'est un pile rentré tout. Parce que vous imaginez vous capable passer dans la ligne presque une heure de temps ou bien plus indépendamment de moment pour capable bien accès à visiter l'espace. Flamingos.
You can see another one of our elephants there on the left. This is kind of my favorite view here on the reserve. Oh, you can see the little baby down in there. It was born at the end of 2016. Their childhood length is about
15 éléphant ça yo? Elefantinho? Est-ce qu'on a déjà 11 éléphants? Méridional de Caille. Quelqu'un qui piage à comprendre ça m'a dit. Qui est-ce qui déjà 11 éléphants qui a couvé?
Looks like we have some animals coming. Species survival. So you can see the male here,
some
the females and the young ones back there.
No elephant, filha.
Now their horns are made of the same substance as our hair and nails. It's called keratin. Helps to protect them while they rest. You can see 2 of them right here.
Oh.
When they run around, they do stick their tails straight up in the air. It's very cute. Posing for y'all. And they are very resourceful. As I said, they'll reuse other animals' burrows as their own, but they are also completely capable of making their own too. And they do. Now we're coming up on some ostrich eggs there on our right. There's eggs. This is a domesticated species, the Nigerian dwarf goats. And they are very playful. They love to jump and run, play, jump on top of everything, climb on top of everything and in everything. If you look carefully, on top of that trunk too. On top of the rocks here. And not only are they a fun pet for a lot of people, but they can also be a valuable farm animal. They are used for their goat's milk as well. Now we have come to the end of something that we all share every day. We can recycle, repurpose, and reuse, support conservation organizations, volunteer,
Animal Kingdom,
and most importantly, spread the word. Educate your friends and let them know that they can do things to help out too. the more of us that come together to help out, the greater the